Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to fix black screen and stuck on loading issues in Left 4 Dead 2. I'll show you a simple solution. So follow the steps and check if it works for you. First, press the Windows key. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. And open it. On the left side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then click Change Settings. Now click Allow another app. Select Browse. Find the Left 4 Dead 2.exe file inside your Left 4 Dead 2 folder. Select it. And click Open. Then click Add. Make sure Left 4 Dead 2 is allowed through the firewall. Now launch the game again. And check if the black screen or loading problem is fixed. If the problem is still there, tell me in the comments what issue you're experiencing. I'll try my best to help. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.